呢站飛到嚟 Napa Valley 係美國數一數二嘅金牌洋酒區。
Usually this room would be very, very cold.
Have you licked one like this? Oh.
In front of the camera.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
Cheers. Right with the tequila.
接包安全帶。OK 晒。
Alpha runway 32, take off.
呢度有個錘仔，如果有啲咩意外，可以用個錘單兩塊玻璃出去。乘機唔俾食煙 ，oxygen 大家都準備好噶啦。有啲咩事呢度降落傘，兩隻手一齊拉，個飛機就會有個降落傘出嚟。Acknowledge I am safe. Back up.
Raging Tower, there's 99904 Charlie Echo, holding short runway 34 for IFR departure.
呢站飛到嚟 Napa Valley 係美國加州北部一個盛產高級葡萄酒嘅地區。雖然佢嘅地區唔係好大，但係仍然有超過400間酒莊。
I think this is a bigger airport than Napa.
Whoa, what's going on out there? There's some big event in the hangar. See that?
I'm here.
Is that your event, Paul?
Yeah.
Napa Valley 屬於地中海式嘅氣候，加上呢度嘅泥土有豐富嘅礦物質，好適合種植葡萄。
咁我哋而家飛到嚟到 Napa， 咁我哋今日就會咧去兩個酒莊，一個喺 Sonoma， 一個喺 Napa。Let's go！
Amazing。
Welcome to Promontory.
This is Promontory.
今日第一個參觀嘅酒莊係 Promontory， 呢個酒莊係哈林家族其中一部分。由清雅嘅日式花園到祠堂，去到私密嘅品酒室，每一個室內室外嘅建築同埋設計都非常用心，係一個非常之優雅嘅地方。重點要睇下佢哋嘅工業風發酵室，同埋佢哋呢個820加侖嘅奧地利製橡木桶，更加令人眼前一亮。同好多 Napa 酒莊唔同嘅地方，佢哋釀製出嚟嘅紅酒嘅口感會比較明顯。
So the entire tank is this material, like this aluminum.
Yes, in the inside is actually a little bit more porous.
Years of more like intense work.
Safe travel, safe piloting your plane.
Thank you.
Wow.
Very much.
第二站我哋嚟到有美國酒王之稱嘅 Opus One 參加 Wine Tour， 因為商業秘密，呢度就唔俾我哋拍攝啦。呢度嘅建築物非常有設計感，酒莊以弧形起喺山坡度。Opus One 採用傳統嘅波爾多洋酒風格，喺釀製嘅過程，佢哋講求嘅係精益求精。正正因為佢哋每一支出產嘅酒嘅一致性同埋可信賴嘅品質，成為咗唔少收藏家心目中嘅指標。嚟到第二日，我哋會參觀最後一間酒莊，就係位於 Sonoma 嘅 Verity。
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Verite.
Yes, thank you very much for hosting us.
My pleasure. I'm Ed, Mr. Yip. Okay, so welcome to Verite.
Verity 酒莊由一開始以嚟對於獨特嘅風土展現，正正就係呢個酒莊一直以嚟釀酒嘅哲學。
Safe flights for the rest of the trip, sir.
Thank you.
酒莊遍佈40幾個唔同類型嘅土壤，佢哋深入研究每一個葡萄園嘅細節。
Obviously vinifies them separately and how diverse it was.
Amazing.
Usually this room would be very, very cold.
呢度紅酒嘅釀製過程就係葡萄去核之後，會先將果皮
同果肉一齊進行壓榨同發酵，而發酵時間嘅長短更會影響酒嘅果子、花果香氣同風味潛質。
To ensure that he was getting the best possible quality.
Impressive achievement in like 35 years to achieve so many.
So this is one of our wine caves for one of our cuvées. Please.
Can we make one like this?
It'll take 30 years. So the process will be quite different from France, let's say Bordeaux, where all the watering must be natural, rain.
Yes.
Chloe,
Where do you want to sit?
I have to, you know, in front of the camera, I'm a gentleman, you know.
Paul Jam, gentlemen.
Very gentle.
Oh,
新世界比較強調嘅係奔放嘅果香、厚重嘅酒體，而且相對較為開放同多元化。例如美國、澳洲。奧世界強調嘅係風土、傳統同精緻平衡，酒體優雅、層次豐富。例如法國、意大利等。今晚好榮幸受到 Verit 邀請參加佢哋嘅品酒晚宴，同埋試試佢哋新推出嘅白酒。今次參觀完3間酒莊呢，好深深感受到每間酒莊都有佢哋對釀酒品質嘅追求，成功在於細節。佢哋明白到無論係釀酒嘅環境、每塊種植嘅土壤，甚至係每個釀酒嘅木桶，都會影響到代表住佢哋品牌理念出嚟嘅品質。
4咁頭先我哋入油咧，唔可以入到滿，因為我哋架機太重，我哋入咗半油啫。好，搞掂。上機我哋可以去個廁所度走啦。
big receipt.
Soaring high, like eagles in flight, till my heart finds its perfect light. Clouds below, I reach for the stars. Wings spread wide, I know where to go far. Love, it's a climb up to the skies. Hand in hand, we touch the clouds and skies.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
嚟到 Las Vegas， 我哋約咗朋友去 Hell's Kitchen， 試試佢哋嘅招牌菜 Beef Wellington。極力推薦佢哋嘅前菜 Bone Marrow， 真係好好食，佢啲油香喺個口度咧唔散嘅。下一集我會嘗試挑戰飛譽為美國最靚同埋最難飛嘅其中一個機場 Sedona。鬼死，係嚇死嘅大佬。
We are really close, Paul.
Scaring the shit up.
Yeah, it's probably a good thing your wife was not in the back.
Ah Chong Yi.
Oh yeah ขาด